108 Upanishads. Had entire Vedanta existing, these 108 Upanishads would not exist, only 8 Upanishads exist. As the Brahmana Samhitas vanished, many of the limbs of the Veda, the wisdom vanished, and knowledge is added, even to the Vedanta. Vedanta means the summa bonum, it is a summary to end entire suffering of all the big compendiums. Again in Vedanta, Upanishads, Purva Mimamsa, Uttara Mimamsa, you say. So in this, Mimamsa means which has to be practiced, tarka, which has to be learned from a guru, questioning, answering. This is Mimamsa. All, as I told you other day, doubt. We are born doubt. What is born? First doubt is born, then we are born. So that is called Mimamsa. So a guru removes your Mimamsa. That's what is called Mimamsa. Mimamsa means what? Right now our thinking is reptilian. We are like a carnivores. Though you are a herbivore, but when you have anger, you become a carnivore. When you have fear, and we become a carnivore. When we become, any negative emotion makes us carnivore. That's why by default, we are only a mamsa. We are only a non-vegetarian by emotions. It is not what you eat, a vegetarian, non-vegetarian. It is all about output, it is not about the input. Your output is right now as a carnivore. When that aggressiveness of the carnivore goes away. Do you think deer is aggressive or tiger is aggressive? Do you think a lion is aggressive or, so a rabbit is aggressive? You understand? What is a carnivore? What is a herbivore? And you can see when a lion or when a tiger, you can see when it opens its claws, when it opens its teeth, and when it is open, and when it opens its hair, when it is running, the ferociousness, aggressiveness, in no way, that is much less, I think, when I see an angry father, because I have seen my father every night so angry. I have seen. Every night I have seen. I think that is much worse than a lion, much worse than, Your output decides whether you are a vegetarian and a non-vegetarian, a vegan. It is not input. Input doesn't matter. Output decides the quality of the input. Input has no meaning. Input purpose is only for the output. Entire industry, the purpose is output, not the input. The input is meant for only output. Input has no meaning if there is no output. We are worried about, if I am a vegetarian, I am a non-vegetarian, you are not worried about output. How am I behaving? Am I behaving like a herbivore? Am I behaving like carnivore? The question is that. Mamsa, Mimamsa. The one who makes you understand you about a carnivore, or whether your transformation from a carnivore to the herbivore, and to go beyond. What is born? Herbs are born first, or plant life is born first, or the animal life is born first. What is born is herbs are born first, then herbivores are born. Understand? Isn't it? A fish, small fish eats only herbs, algae, super algae. Even today those species are surviving. So what is born? First is, life is born in herbs, is born this planet. If there are no herbs, where are the carnivores, tell me? Where are the carnivores? Whether carnivores are born first or herbs born first? Whether human born first or whether nature born first. Whether bacteria or virus born first or whether herbs born first. Herbs born first. So it is all about. But then in between we became all this evolution. So output is called when it becomes completely like a herbivore. Right now the aggressive emotion. Mimamsa means the one who makes you realize, hey my dear, you see, we are supposed to be, herbivore means very calm, the one who lives with the nature, very closely, directly. A rabbit is directly feeding upon life, close to the reality of the life. Most primitive life, the most primitive life, most primitive is singularity. So, the veganism, or to be a herbivore, or sattvic, your output is called sattvic, your output is called rajasic or tamasic. It is all about output, not about input.